In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email settings in Microsoft Outlook to make your communication stand out with a personal touch. These simple adjustments will ensure your emails reflect your style, making them not only easier to read, but also more recognizable to your recipients. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Outlook. If it's your first time using Outlook, don't worry, the steps are straightforward. Once you have Outlook open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You will see the File menu. Go ahead and click on this. This will open a new window with various options on the left-hand side. You're going to want to select Options from the menu. This is often depicted as a cog or gear, indicating settings. After clicking on Options, a new dialog box will appear, offering a multitude of settings you can adjust for your Outlook experience. Here, you'll want to focus on the Mail tab, located along the side menu. Once you've clicked on Mail, you have the opportunity to further personalize your email experience by clicking on the Signatures and Stationery button. This button is your gateway to customizing how your emails look when you send them out. Now that you're in the Signatures and Stationery window, you'll notice two sections. The first is dedicated to new mail messages, and the second to replying or forwarding messages. Both sections allow you to tailor the font, style, and size of the text, making sure that your emails are not only professionally presented, but also reflect your personal branding. Take your time selecting the font that suits your purpose. Often, a clean and simple design works best, ensuring readability across different devices. It's also wise to stick with a professional font style like Arial or Calibri, which are universally legible and aesthetically pleasing. After choosing your preferred font options, make sure to set them as the default so that every email you compose or forward automatically uses these settings. Once you are satisfied with your selections, simply click OK to save and exit the settings menu. Congratulations! You have successfully customized your email font settings in Microsoft Outlook. This small tweak can make all the difference in creating a professional and consistent image in all your electronic communications. Always remember that keeping your email format clean and simple helps convey your message more effectively. If you ever need to make adjustments or changes in the future, you can return to these menus and update your settings at any time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips to enhance your productivity. See you in the next video.